because I'm curious about where else you have them, and like I like 3 different places.
Well, I have at least 2 more different places.
2 more different places, and
But what I intend to do, I intend to also establish 2 more apiary. So that's why I said some of those boxes to make a new colony.
oh, all those
To
new
make
ones.
colonies.
For new
Some
ones.
of those is to make a new colony. So as I say, I intend to make 2 more apiary for this year. I don't know how much box would I do in a sense, but I think I may go in the starting 60, 3 at one area, and 30 at one area, sorry, and 30 at the other area.
So do you have the piece of land that you
Yeah, I have land.
that you're planning on?
Yes, I have
So
land that
that's
I'm
all
planning to
planned
go.
out.
I have the area that I'm gonna do, but that's not prepared yet because I don't really fully ready.
Ooh, what's preparing? What do you have to do to
Well,
prepare?
cut out the area that needed. You got to cut it out.
Oh
you
my
got to go
gosh.
and inspect the area to see if it fits to put an apiary. You don't just put an apiary at a spot. You got to go and look at the area that you're going to put the bees to see if that area can carry the bees. They can function at that area and find pollen and nectar.
So you kind of have to scout around.
Yeah, you got to go and inspect the area to see if the area, like here now, you know this area is fit to put bees. You have the logwood, you have other tree that you mightn't see, but I know that they are there. You have the clutch claw maca, and you have the red tree, a lot of stuff. And from these plants, from these ponds, that here you have plants that blossom, so they will get pollen. Okay, yeah.
So your new spot you've checked out already.
Yes, I checked out the new spot already.
And so you have to like clear the land a bit.
Yeah, you got to clear the land that you got to go and inspect, as I say. Repeat, you got to clear the land, you got to go inspect the land, you got to inspect the area to see if this area are fit to put.
And you clear it yourself?
Yes, just I pay somebody, just brush it out. Sometimes the area is not bushy.
Oh, okay.
So you just
it's
brush
not
it
that
out.
bad.
You know? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you do. So when you're making a new apiary, you don't just go and just say, oh, I'm going to put an apiary here. You got to inspect the area, and you got to make sure that this area are fit to carry the bees. The bees can function here, they can find nectar, as I say, and they can find pollen. Because some of the area is do not fit to put bees. Some area do not carry the stuff that the bees need. You understand?
Yep. You probably don't have this ready, but extracting the honey.
No, extracting the honey, that is one thing, you wouldn't get that now.
Right.
You would have to cut without extracting the honey. That would be when we check and see that we do an inspection at the box or in the box, and we see that the honey are fit to move.
So you know when it's time to extract.
Yeah, as long as you use a bee farmer, you got to know when the honey is fit to extract.
Okay, so when something's fit to extract, what do you have